My name is Camila Rosa. I'm an illustrator and visual artist based in Sao Paulo, Brazil. I describe my style as powerful, bold. I love to use strong shapes and strong colors for my illustrations. So this is my studio, which is also my bedroom. I really love to use this wall to paint. I started to paint recently and it turned out that this is my new passion in life. Here I have my desk, which is perfect to work digitally, and I love to work from here with my paints. I like to do my own colors, like this amazing pink. This is a perfect place to work because I have this amazing view of Sao Paulo. I draw inspiration from literally everything: books, movies, especially music, from people walking on the streets. I'm also very inspired by women in general and also by my political views. So today I'm gonna show my favorite tool in Adobe Illustrator. This is the pencil tool, which is not too common for illustrators, I know, but for me it's perfect. With the pencil tool, you can draw very smoothly, like this. After that, you can edit your points with this other tool called Smooth Tool. And with this, you can have a very smooth line. That's my favorite in Adobe Illustrator.